Hi, my name is Mustafa and I'm from Tech Ventures. Today we're going to discuss how in Business Central drop shipments, um, how the process for the drop shipments work. So I have a very small presentation and we're going to look at our example for the power bank. So if you look at the Microsoft documentation, the definition I have just taken it from docs.microsoft.com. You can look at a lot of different information regarding Business Central. So it says that a drop shipment is the shipment of items from one of your vendors directly to one of your customers. So it's really basic, it's really simple, and it's required for a lot of different companies, and it's very common in day-to-day operations of any company, specifically which have the trading business. Um, so in this case, if you look at that, we have our power bank vendors ships directly to power bank customers. This is our power bank. So what happens actually that you do not bring your inventory to your own main warehouse. You place the purchase order um, to your vendors and advise them to directly ship to your customers. So how this process is happening in Business Central, we're going to look at it today. The process is very simple. So first we're going to create and release the sales order, okay, and then we're going to create and release the purchase order. So there are some special steps that we have to look at it. We have to select the drop shipment and what we have to select in the purchase order. It's very important. And once goods are received by our customers, you process the receipts in your purchase order. And as soon as you receive your purchase order, your sales order is automatically received. After that, you can process your purchase invoice and sales invoice. So there's no specific order that you have to do the purchase invoice first and then the sales order. You can do any of them, and then finally you can close them. And this is how the process goes on. So let's look at in Business Central how it works. So we have one example. Let's look at the item. It's called power bank. So this is our smart power bank. We're gonna buy from our vendor and ship directly to our customer. You can see that inventory on hand is zero, but I did some sample transaction before this session, so they're like directly shipped to my customer. That's why there are no stock available on my on hand. So let's start with the sales order. So you have to you have to make sure that sales order do exist before you process the purchase order, because the drop shipping concept starts from the sales order. So I'm just gonna create a new sales order for our customer. I'm gonna select my customer that is a corporation. I'm gonna select my item, power bank. So it really doesn't matter what location you select, because it directly ships to your customer. So the price and everything is set. It's all ready to be processed. The only special thing that you have to select the purchasing code. So I have created one purchasing code called dropship, which automatically marks this dropship on the line level. So in some of the cases, like in most of the cases in Business Central, these fields are not available. So you have to personalize it and bring them on front to to select values in them. Now I'm just gonna release it. So that's it. I can print. So I'm just going to ignore the print in this session. Now I'm going to jump into the purchase order. Click new. I'm going to buy from Fedkin. So rather than going into the line and filling the line, so there's a one tricky thing that you have to do is that in shipping and payment tab, you have to select the customer address. And there are like multiple values over there: the codes, location, customer address, and customer address. So once we select the customer address, we have to select which customer we have to ship it. And we're just going to select our customer. There's ship to code as well, so just make sure like if you select new ship to code, it matches one which is selected on the purchase order. So I'm just gonna leave it blank. I'm gonna go in action, functions, drop shipping, get sales order. So I have multiple sales orders, so I believe this is the last one. I'm just gonna check and it's showing me $120 for my smart power bank. The price in between, so this price is $75. So that's it. That's all we're gonna do. I'm gonna release purchase order, and I want to show like how does it differ from the standard purchase order. It's really important. So if we look at the purchase order print from the standard business central, so the first thing you can see is the vendor information, which is fabricant. That's okay. That's default. And the other side you can see that's our company information, client's information, which is address and postcode and stuff like that. But the ship to address is changed to our customer address. So this is really important that I guess you are advising your vendor that you have to ship directly to our customer, and so by the way, this vendor can understand this we are doing it before. One important thing is that once you release the purchase order, so when you receive it, so if you receive it, one more thing that you have to take care is that in drop shipment cases, you cannot receive any invoice today. If I'm just going to do it, this is something that I can do that since this is a drop shipment purchase order, so I cannot receive any invoice at the same time. So I'm just going to do it and receive it. So as soon as I receive it, receive the purchase order, the sales order is already shipped. So let's see. So this is all linked, so this is not like, just, it's not like just copying the values from values from sales order to purchase order, but it's also linked with that as well. I'm just going to select the line, let's get sales order, this is select the line from sales order. So this is the sales order, okay. I'm going to click navigate and look at the shipments. So this shipment is already there. It says that yes, it's shipped to our customer. Now, the second cycle is that I have to invoice it, so it doesn't matter, I have to invoice my sales order first or my purchase order first, it's depending on my terms and conditions with my customer and my vendors, so it doesn't matter. So I hope this session can give you the brief idea how to drop shipping works and your limitations. Thank you.